Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. A little change up today. So we are taking a poll. I need comments down below. So alright. We were getting tons of comments a long time ago, and then it tapered off and views shot up, and now with this awesome new experiment opportunity, tons of new subscribers, lots of awesome questions. So I'm going to put this in y'all's hands. Like I've said before, the newer, I haven't said it in a while. Look, this is your channel. I'm just here as a guide. You guys are directing the way it goes. I know I went off a poll last time to get us to Django. There doesn't seem to be a ton, so I need some help. Do I finish out the Django, or do I start answering some of these awesome video requests? Because some of them are pretty cool. Some of them I don't know if we can get to if we're advanced enough in our series so far with our skills. Some of them are really good and would stretch us a little bit. I don't want to stretch us too far. So I need to know, we need to vote, because there are some really cool ones. So yeah, that's where we are right now, because I don't think I can commit to 7 videos a week again. That's a lot. So, but we have at least a week, if not almost 2 weeks, of video topics. Some really cool ones. So I need some help. I need some feedback. Finish out Django, or take a break from Django. Answer these questions, or do we want to turn this into, for a while, just posing questions and going from there? So, but I am blown away by all the awesome interaction. Comments have shot up. Subscriptions have shot up. But yeah, super super cool, super exciting. Had a really good time today excuse me, on the stream. We talked about some pretty cool stuff. Each of those topics that were there, there is a video on this channel for it. But just having a awesome time, and I want to tell you guys thank you. But yeah, I need some feedback. So drop down in the comments what you're thinking, and tomorrow we'll start there. And I'll pick one. If we do, here's one thing to think about. If we do, I'll pick one random. Actually, somebody's already asked. If we do this, we're going to do garbage collection tomorrow. And then what'll happen is then I'll throw out some choices, and then we'll vote on who gets the next question, and we'll go from there. Does that sound pretty cool? That kind of sounds pretty awesome to me. So super excited, super humbled. Just want to tell you guys thank you. That who knows where this path just keeps winding and getting longer and faster, and it's super exciting. Hope you guys are having as good as a time as I am. And like I said in one of the comment responses, the reason why I try to keep you guys motivated is all this feedback you give me keeps me motivated. All these comments, you guys are super supportive. I was a little terrified I've heard horror stories. I've gotten 1 or 2. Overwhelmingly, unbelievably, super majority, over 99%, have been positive and supportive and encouraging. So the reason why I try to keep you guys encouraged is because you, without a doubt, keep me encouraged. All the views, all the support, all the awesome comments, you guys keep me going. That's why this gets easier and easier and easier to do. So I want to tell you guys thank you. You guys are putting in a lot more effort than you think you are. So thank you. All right, here we go. But I do need some feedback. I need some comments down below. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.